Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review the back cover and front cover of iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start with the back cover. It comes in this really nice box. So when we open it up, we have got this really nice case, I would say. So looking at inside, first thing I see that we have the magnet, which would actually increase the strength of our magnet on the phone. And all the buttons, actually they have a nice cover in here, pretty smooth. And looking at the back side, the first thing I realized actually this aluminium cover around the camera, which is a really good feature, I would say. The reason is, check it out from the side. Basically, one problem which I personally all the time have is basically when you put your iPhone like this on the table, just think about it during the day, how many times you may put your phone like this. Every time you put and you remove it, it's going to scratch the phone frame, so to say, or the camera frame. And I always have this problem myself, and over the time they are worn out. So this thing, since it's a little bit bigger, check it out, like a millimeter or half a millimeter bigger or thicker, let's say, it doesn't basically allow your camera frame to touch any surface, which is a really good feature. So I think that's the best thing of this cover. And all in all, looks pretty sleek, I would say. Really nice quality. I wouldn't call it ragged eyes, but it's really tough one, really good one. Now let's move to our front cover. So this is what I received to review. It's a tempered glass, which means it doesn't break actually easily. So it has a very high hardness. It has maximum resolution, basically it doesn't filter out anything, so to say, and perfect touch, so basically kind of feeling, and basically anti-chip with external force absorption. So I'm not really sure what is that one. Installation guide, I mean, we all know it. Let's open it up, see what we have. There we go. So this is the frame which you use actually to put the cover on. So it comes with a towel. The cool thing is it also has the camera covers like this, and we only have one set of that. And this is our basically covers. It comes in two sets, just like this, and that's gonna be our front cover. Really nice glass, I would say. Good quality. And it's not anti-reflection though, you can see that it's reflecting. But all in all, pretty good quality, especially here the glue is pretty nice. Well, that's it. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos on daily basis. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you and bye bye.